Hello, and welcome to Leon's Lockpad, and welcome to Challenge Lock Wednesday, well, for me. But before we do that, we have two parcels that arrived, one last week and one at the beginning of this week. I've already opened them, but I put them in two piles so I can show you what I got and who they are from. First of all, our first parcel. This came from Mr. Gazz, G-A-Z-Z. You know Gazz is always commenting on all our videos. He sent me some colour cubes, which one of my favourites actually, colour cubes. Jelly babies, which is awesome. Love sweeties. We've got this absolute gorgeous Starlock England full brass shackle, which is really cool. And there's a bit in for it, and that'll make a good Stock Lock Sunday video. And he sent me some challenge locks. We've got a Yukoff number 11 spool something. I'll have to have a look at that. There's the bitting. Nice bitting. Looks very smooth. A bit of a hang up till you turn it upside down, which is usual with the Euros. We have a Basta, and check the bitting on that. Turn it upside up. Oh, there we go. We're working, and this is a Yukoff 14A. And next one is a picking.Turk mat number 10, drunken spool. There's a bitting. Don't know if I picked this. Right done. I think we'll have a go at picking that one, I think. So that was from Gazz. Absolute awesome parcel, my friend. Thank you very much. And the next one is from our good friend Vic's Picks. I've already put your card up there, Vic, my friend, on the backboard. Vic asked me if I could hold some challenge locks. Oh, another screwdriver. I've got a black one of these, and I've got a gold one, but my black one's getting a bit tatty, so thank you very much, my friend. Could do with a new one. And we got a challenge lock at Junkyard. It's called number 6. See the bit in there. What are we? It's been battered about. I don't think there's a name on there I can see. And we have a number 13 from Vic's Picks. No name Euro, which will be excellent. There is no key with that. Possibility, mate, if I can get this picked, I could probably make you a key for that, as I've got quite a few spares knocking around. And the next one is a Yale cylinder. I know he likes using these Yale cylinders. No name, just number 12. Well, awesome, Vic, my friend, and a big thank you to Gazz. Absolutely fantastic, lads. Thank you for sending me those locks. I think though, I'm gonna have got this Turk mat. I hope everybody's doing well today. Oh, we're having a bit of problem getting it in the holder. Let's try it the old-fashioned way, and that's without one. So zoom in. There we go. Oh, I want to say a big thank you to a few of my RC channel guys who watch these videos as well. Thank you very much. I hit that 100 subscribers, which is fantastic. We've got a really wide keyway there. I think that's the widest pry bar I have. Yep. And ooh, I'm going to go for a Wes Picks, the one that he made for me. Yeah, so a big thank you. Certainly wasn't expecting hitting that. I was just, well, it happened. I was just shocked. Right, so we'll start at the back. Getting a lot of crunchiness. for a reset. I think I overset something. Yeah, sorry, I got black paint all over my fingers. I've been spraying something. Now, I've not picked this lot before I got it, but I've had a couple of Turk mats, so I'm unsure if I've actually ever picked this one. But a lot of the names of a lot of challenge locks are quite similar these days, so sometimes I can think, oh, I have picked it, and actually I haven't. I've just seen someone else pick it. There's something weird going on there. No, definitely clockwise. Oh, got a little false set going now. Oh, and that was number 2. Number 3. That's 5. So I make sure I'm not catching the ward in there, I'm not. I lost all that again. Go for another reset. This is just such a wide keyway with my tension wrenches. Definitely dulling off some of that feedback. So I got that fault set back again. No, we're definitely stuck up on something. Oh, we're open. Wow, there we go. Oh, my fingers are stiff. I was leaning on it for so long. Right, so let's get our bits and backs out already. Right, well, we can lock it back up because we've got a key. Oh, there we go. I was looking for the lock. This is the trouble about having a camera and you're working around the camera. Is when you put things down there, you cannot find them. Yes, we've got the key, so let's get the it's a nice, easy clip. Gonna put a shim in this anyway, just in case. You never know. We've got a shim in. There we go. So it was a 6-pin. Everything needed to be picked. Really nice work on that cover. Let's get them all out first and then we'll have a good look through them. Except that one getting stuck. Oh, awesome work on those pins, my friend. Oh, that's a pin as well. Keeping. Excellent. Right, let's have a look what we've got in there. So we have got a, where's my pick gun? We're standard in 1, very nice threading in 2 and 3, undercutting in 4, nothing in 5 and threading in 6. Really nice work on that core, my friend. Let's see what we've got in here. Remove that shim. Very nice drivers. We have a copper spring in 3 and it does not want to come out, so I'm not going to force it. That would have been that way on those pins. It's like a drunken spool. I suppose that's where you get the drunken spool from. Let's turn it around and go in from the back. That's number 6. The copper spring. It's a cut. Oh no, it isn't. That was a cut copper spring. Oh, and we got a nice pin. We have a nice steel spring. It's just a copper one I can't get out, and I'm certainly not going to try and pull it out just in case I overstretch it. Then it'll change the characteristics of the lock. But let's check out this work on these. Yeah, I don't believe I've picked this. I would have remembered this pin work. So in 1 we've got standard, in 2 we've got a serrated and spooled keeping. Do apologise. In 3 we have a very nice, really nicely worked pin. Almost couldn't tell, I just thought it was a serration. It's all really nice work. Then we've got a wide spool keeping, which is upside down, I apologise. And we've got a really long, thin spooled keeping. And a very nicely thick and wide serrated keeping. In number 1 driver, we've got a slightly serrated driver. We've got a half spooled in 2. Number 3, we've got a serrated driver. And in number 4, we have a drunken spool. It's a short drunken spool, but it's a drunken spool. Number 4, we separate it. We have a pin driver, which is awesome work, and another serrated driver. Steel, copper, steel, brass, sorry. This different steel on there, but like I say, that one I'm not going to take off because I don't fancy breaking it or stretching it. Very interesting, absolute awesome lock to pick. Thank you very much, Gaz, for sending me that. Thank you very much to both of you, including Vic as well, for sending me the parcels. Absolute awesome, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and bye. Don't forget to like.